I love pizza. But maybe not as much as this guy from Maryland, United States. For the past 25 years, Dan Jannsen ate only pizza for lunch and dinner. And Jannsen isn't alone in his enthusiasm for pizza. Sailors and workers in Naples, Italy, quickly embraced the dish when it was created in 1522. But pizza's predecessor, flatbread, is even older. Archaeologists found the remains of 3,000-year-old flatbread in Sardinia, Italy. I bet they ate it. Many cultures have traditional pizza-like flatbread dishes. What does a pizza look like in Japan? Or Hungary? Stick around to grab a slice. Zapiekanka. Zapiekanka looks like a simple toast, but it's a Polish pizza. It's an open-faced baguette cut lengthwise, and it's usually topped with cheese and sautéed mushrooms. Oh, come here, you sweet thing. But over time, the recipe has changed. You can now find some zapiekanki with meat, olives, or pineapple. And they even call it a Hawaiian zapiekanka. Lahmacun. Lahmacun is a traditional dish in Turkish and Armenian cuisine. It means meat and dough. It consists of flatbread topped with, you guessed it, minced beef, ground lamb, tomatoes, and onions. And you can wrap it up like a burrito to eat it on the go. I like their thinking. Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is Japan's popular savory pan-fried pizza. And you could enjoy an impressive list of toppings, including cabbage, pork, noodles, and a variety of seafood. I'm in. The entire pie is dunked into a deep fryer for extra crispiness and topped with a fried egg and a dollop of sauce. Coca. Coca is one of Catalonia's specialty dishes. It's a flatbread with no sauce and usually no cheese. Wait, how's this pizza? And it comes in different flavors that are sweet and savory. Popular toppings for this flatbread dish include red peppers, onions, spinach, or anchovies. Lángos. This puffy pizza is Hungary's savory finger food. Lángos consists of baking a flat piece of dough on flames and topping it with garlic, sour cream, and cheese. For centuries, Hungarian people have made lángos for breakfast. And this is why we love them so. Nowadays, it's extremely popular as a street food in Central and Southern Europe. Pizzas are a staple, filling, and cheap dish on many tables. But if you just ate pizza and are looking for another easy meal, how about instant ramen? Did you know that instant ramen started as a luxury food before becoming a cheap dish? Find out how on another episode of Origins of Food.